come with you another Hanger Ace Booker video. So today we out here back at JJ's to get the finishing touches on my wife's car. I'm gonna get the finishing touches done today, man. What we didn't get done when she first got it done. So today we up here, we're gonna get it taken care of. We're gonna get it taken care of today. So, yep. So gonna get this knocked out, man. And get her finally situated. Review coming on both her cars, man, coming soon. We're gonna do the review on her truck and her car, man, because how many women you know that got two unique vehicles? You know what I'm saying? That's very easy and recognizable. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna do a review on this soon. But yep, like I said, come holler at JJ Designs, man, in Memphis, Tennessee. You know, for all your graphic designs and car wraps, man. Okay. Well, that's the key. But yeah, we're gonna definitely get that done. Hey man, like, comment, subscribe, share, man. You new to the channel, man, hit that share button, man. Hit that like button. And we gonna get it popping, man. You become part of the boogie gang, man. So here she go. Right, man. So yeah, become part of the boogie gang, man. If you new to the channel, man, I appreciate all the love, man, that the car been getting, man. She really put a smile on her face, man. It's a lot of you haters out there, but for every one hater, man, it's like 10, 15 people like you, man. Cause she's unique, man. Most of y'all folks said to come out your comfort zone, man. Y'all want to be like the average person, look like the average person. Not over here, man. We don't do average over here, man. You know what I'm saying? We don't do average over here. We like to stand out. We like to be different from everybody else. A lot of you folks are stuck in your ways, man. You want to look like and sound like and dress like and talk like and act like the other person next to you. We ain't doing that over here, man. Very unique over here, man. Yes, sir. You got to make your way in the world, man. Stand out from everybody. Not look like everybody. But, you know, with that being said, man, I'm going to let y'all look at this Camaro. You know, this is a Mopars channel, but I'm going to put the Camaro on here. Y'all probably seen it before. That car was also done by JJ Designs, man. So like I said, he got pieces out here on these streets, man. That's unique, man. It's a lot of cars out here that he done did, man. I done seen and everything. As far as him taking a picture and posting it. But yeah, we're gonna get this started. So when I come back, the car should be done. So yeah, like I said, review coming on Wonder Woman. It's dirty. Ain't been washed since the snow hit. So hopefully we can go take it somewhere and get it washed off that fast. But like I said, we out here in the truck today. So y'all see it. But like I said, a full review coming on the truck and the car once everything completely done. So yeah. But yep, we go and finish getting some stuff done for the day, man, before we finish the car. He said it's gonna take about an hour and a half. So when that being said, man, I'll pick it back up once we get back. So yeah, we got it finished. I told you, it's something different and not like the normal how you wrap the tail lights and everything. But I'm sure to you. Long side here. Cambo the tail lights too. Cambo the tail lights. Yep, so we are done pretty much with the outside of this car. Yep. That's all we had left to do the tail lights on it. As you can see, we got Wonder Woman all clean. Well, Pretty clean. She's pretty clean. So, yep. Like I said, shout out to Zayday Designs, man. In Memphis, Tennessee, man. You know, they always get us right and get us tight. My car coming soon. I got a date, April the 5th. I will be dropping it off to get mine done. Get my car wrapped. So y'all stay tuned to that video, April the 5th. But yeah, like I said, this is the conclusion of her car being wrapped and getting it done. So pretty much done with the outside of that, time to work up on the hood and work the inside of the car, getting it done. So yeah, like I said, something different from what you normally. I don't think I ever seen nobody camo their tail lights before. So like I said, something different. See? Camo going all the way up on the tail lights, and you still can see the when I wrap the tail lights, you still got the design in it and everything. So yeah, so the whole back end is now done. The truck is washed. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Share the video if you new. Hit the subscribe button, man. Roll to 500, man. We about, what we about? 225 away. So for me doing the giveaway for the custom Charger Charger flow mats. Yeah, the red and gold flow mats. So you can easily, once I hit 500, I will be, you know, if you want them, you comment on the giveaway part of it. I will pick a random name, and you will be the winner of the flow mats. You know what I'm saying? So yep, we are done with the car. My car coming April the 5th. Don't forget we are having, well, I'm gonna put the video up probably today. We do have a pull up and park in Memphis. It's at 3700 Hickory Hill. It's a Big Daddy Pawn Shop, man. Y'all come out and support, man. It's $10, man. That's cheap. It's $10 to pull up and park, man. Yo, shout out to my boy Big T Ward, man. He putting this together, man. Me and AJ, we co-hosting it, man. You know, out there showing our support, man. You know, that's what we do, man. We family, man. Show support. We help one another out. But as you see, the car is now done. The truck is washed. My car coming soon. Don't miss the movie, man. Don't miss the bills. Hanging with Ace Boogie, man. Remember that, it's your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I do this in my mind. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video, man. Just hit the subscribe button, man. Hey, man, I appreciate it, man. And you know, your boy, I'm out.